I bring una update on singer Lyta and im baby mama Kemi. Lyta don finally apologize after Kemi shame am publicly, and now Kemi talk say Lyta don dey call dem for phone. Now she go social media put up a write-up. Ma read una wetin she write. One thing I just regret is involving Sai into our relationship. Sai na Lyta manager, cause I thought she could change things. Instead, she made it 10 times worse. My people, this thing na wetin Kemi post for Instagram for social media. She talk say now wey Lyta don apologize, she no regret or feel bad for all the things wey she post when Lyta never apologize and when he don apologize. Say she no feel bad at all about am. And she also talk say God knows I would have died over love or relationship if I continued taking the pain and didn't speak out. And I don't want to die and leave my son behind. We both literally have no one, just each other and God. Now waiting Kemi post for Instagram page. And now my own talk be say this social media thing, e work for Lyta. I shock. Say person after all the shaming, after all the talk wey Kemi talk, I put am for this channel una hear am, see wetin Kemi talk. After all the Lyta apologize. Now here what I conclude say this one na real guy, na real man. For him to admit in fault, come apologize. Plenty people no go do am. Plenty no go do am at all. But my own be say make Lyta try dey put eye for where im pikin dey, make him try to dey help too. No be only Kemi get this pikin, na two of them be their parents. So make him try put himself together, help the pikin, because for that part I no accept at all. Even if he don't apologize, my own question be say him go still dey help the pikin, or him go still leave Kemi dey do everything for the family, because I never see where that one dey take happen. You want answer say he be the pikin father, but you no want do anything for their life. That one na talk. Yes, he no apologize, good. He make both step, but my problem be not supporting. He supposed to support. Na him pikin him be. And for me, wetin I don't know is we say Kemi actually get strong love for this Lyta, but the problem na Lyta no dey give am the attention. So me, I feel say all the shaming, all the public thing where she do now just for Lyta to come back, give am that attention. I beg, I know my fellow women, plenty of una like attention. Nobody want feel like say because I born for person, the person no care about me anymore. Everybody go feel bad, and I sure say na the reason why Kemi feel bad where Lyta dey. E no dey easy to take care of pikin and the father no dey there. So my people, me I dey okay with wetin Kemi do somehow, but I no fully like the fact wey be say she talk too and she give her too much detail. But e good say as she do this thing, my own happiness say as she do am, e work. The thing wey for pay me be say she do this thing finish, Lyta no still do anything. Now we are go call am complete waste. So my people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Una believe say this apology wey Lyta apologize, e dey okay? Or him just apologize, he no go dey help the family, or him just do am say make case die? Wetin una think? Because me plenty things dey run through my head. I no even know the one wey I go fit talk, because even Kemi herself, in fact, I don't know where to place am. Na be the reason why I dey ask una make una drop for the comment section wetin una feel concerning this matter. The apology dey okay? Una feel say Kemi just do am for attention? Wetin una feel concerning this matter? But for me, finally, I dey happy say Lyta come out come apologize, because wetin he do know how person father no go fit pay for balloon, just that balloon for pikin 1 year birthday, no fit provide. So my people, I know they together as in me, I not accept that one at all. So wetin una feel concerning this matter? Make una drop am for the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.